G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. I'm just going to be showing you a number plate swing today and what you'll be receiving if you ordered one, and perhaps answer any questions you may have. So you've got your physical number plate mount here. This is made from 3mm alley in our Brisbane workshop. Nice and light and simple. And obviously then you have your hinge assembly. So you have your mounts and your nuts and bolts as well. As far as install goes, very simple. You just grab your bolts, put it through, grab your washer. You want the blades pointing inwards. Obviously, if you did it the other way, they're going to be pointing outwards, and that's obviously you're not going to want to see those mounts. So the mounts to your trundle drawer, wherever you install this, will be concealed behind the plate. And then you would just grab your nut and you would put that on firmly. You wouldn't do it tight, but you would do it at least firmly, which I can't do now. Just make this hand tight. Obviously, same deal on the other side, and then you're going to have the ability to swing your number plate. If you have any other questions though, please give us a call or flick us an email.